Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I want to share about how to make a better decisions for your entire supply chain. So, by the end of this video, you will learn how to calculate the total cost and implement in your entire operations. Okay, let's begin. Saving money is great, but in a supply chain, cutting costs is one place, can increase cost in another. So we need to take broader view to make sure we are having a positive impact on the bottom line. We get the broad impact by calculating the total cost to serve. We walk through an example to show you how you can use the spreadsheets to calculate the total cost here. Let's say our company buys 1,000 widgets per week from a supplier, and we operate for 50 weeks out of the year. We analyze the total cost for those widgets by looking at three categories: purchasing costs, transportation costs, and inventory costs. Purchasing costs are easy. The supplier charges $5 each widget, and it costs us $50 to process the paperwork for each order. Since we place 50 orders per year, our total cost for the purchasing is $252,500. It costs $500 to ship each order. So the total transportation cost for 50 shipments is $25,000. We will assume our average inventory level is 1/2 of the order size. We order 1,000 widgets at a time. So the average inventory level is 500. We also estimate that our inventory holding cost rate is 20%. So the total inventory cost is 20% times the cost of each widget times the average inventory level. That's $500 per year. Now we add the purchasing cost plus the transportation cost plus the inventory cost, and we get a total cost to serve of $278,000. If we divide that by the total number of widgets, our cost per widget is $5.56. Now, the supplier reaches out with the proposal. Rather than buying 1,000 widgets at a time, why not buy all 50,000 widgets at once? If we do, they will drop the price per widget from $5 to just $4. Should we take the deal? Let's use our total cost calculator to decide. Our new total cost to serve would be $221,050 or $4.42 per widget. In other words, ordering all of our widgets at once could save us over $56,000 per year and reduce our total cost per widget by 20%. So from a cost perspective, this looks like a pretty good deal. Of course, we still need to figure out if we have the room to store 50,000 widgets and whether we have the money to buy them all at once. But if we were only concerned about reducing inventory level, then this saving opportunity would have been dismissed immediately. The power of supply chain management comes from looking across the functions in your business and working with your customers and suppliers to make sure you're delivering the most value at the lowest cost. By using a total cost to serve approach, you can see the impact of changes on all of the steps in your process and make a better decisions for your entire supply chain. That's all for my sharing in this video today. Once again, my name is Vivienne and I am the business software coach who not only teaches theory but also develop software to fit the needs of the real world businesses. Okay, that's all for today, and I see you in my next video.